Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name is Laura. I'm a self-taught makeup enthusiast who kind of has a bit of a lipstick addiction, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. I picked up two purple lipsticks. They're both the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink ones. So I have a darker kind of grayish purple and then a lighter kind of like, I don't even know how to describe that color, but I guess they're kind of both grayish, cool toned purple lipsticks. One of them is, the lighter one is in the shade 100 Philosopher, and the darker one is in the shade 90 Huntress. I've been eyeing these lipsticks for a while, and then I finally picked them up. They were on sale actually at Sally's for some reason. They were like 75% off or something. So I was like, okay, well, let's do it. So I tried out both of these. I've tried this formula before, but I haven't tried these particular colors. So if you guys want to see like a quick little try on and review and some inspiration for how you can wear purple lipstick, then please keep on watching. I got the shades number 1 Philosopher, that's this guy, and then 90 Huntress. And I think with the look that I've got going on today, I think Huntress will look better. So I don't actually own too many lip liners, so I might have to go with this one. This is Pure On Point lip liner in the shade Vamp, but it's like really not the same vibe. I'm just gonna outline my lips. I don't think I'll fill them in. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna do a sort of rounded lip. I've been enjoying doing this type of lip. I don't know, it looks cute. It's fun to change up the shape of my lips every now and then. All right, there we go. Really, this is just a guide for me to fill in with this, and then hopefully I'll be able to cover this up. It smells like cake. Yeah, it's like totally not the same color at all, so I'm gonna try really hard to fill this in. Oh, this is such a pretty color. And the tip of this wand is actually really good at sort of being more precise. I shouldn't do this while I'm talking. All right, so that's the first shade. I think it looks really great actually with this eye look that I have. Like it's all very muted, neutral, sort of grayish leaning colors. Love it. So it's another day. Let's try out the lighter purple shade. Hopefully it kind of goes with my makeup. And this one is in the shade 100 Philosopher. I don't have a lip liner that corresponds, so I guess we'll just go with it. I love that kind of like cake battery smell. So I'll just use the tip of this, I guess, just to outline my lips. I'm not sure what to think. I love the color. I don't know if it suits me. I think this is one of those cases where a darker lip liner might look a little bit better. Problem is I don't really have a lip liner that is even close to this color. Okay, this is like the closest thing that I have. I don't really own that many lip liners. This is an old lippy sticks, I don't know, from ColourPop. The shade is Creature. It's discontinued, but I'm just gonna run some of that just on like the outer corners. Again, it's not really the right color, but I just want to like add a little bit more shape because I feel like the color, it like gets lost on my face, but it also I feel like kind of clashes with my undertone. So I'm just kind of like improvising and using this as a lip liner. I'm gonna blot that in so it's not as harsh. Okay, that gives it a little bit more shape, I think. I also really don't like the look of wearing a lighter lipstick than the color of your skin. I just feel like it looks kind of off. But if you use like a darker lip liner, or even in this case like a, what would you call this, like a lipstick lip balm kind of thing, just to kind of like darken the edges, sort of do a little bit of like an ombre slash blotted lip, but only around the perimeter. It creates enough contrast around your lips that it sort of like separates them as like a different part from your face, so it doesn't look as flat, like it's just like flat color across there. It has a little bit more dimension, and you can still have that lighter color for most of your lips. I also don't like when you have like a really dark lip liner and then a really light lip color, and then it's just like dark line colored in with something really light. I feel like you kind of need to blend it to make it look a little bit more put together. It looks really unfinished, I think, when you have so much contrast. I don't know if that makes sense at all. I don't know. I like gradients, I guess. So, you know, you have that darker area around the edge and then blend it so then you kind of have like darkest on the outside going to the lightest on the center. Personally, in my opinion, I think that looks the nicest, but obviously do what you want to do. I think this is how I would probably wear this shade. It is kind of annoying to have to do this every time, but I really like the result. So yeah, I would rate both of these like a solid 5 out of 5. I mean, I've tried them before, but I don't know, sometimes some of these like more unnatural, kind of fun, colorful lipstick shades might be a little bit more challenging to work with, especially because, you know, it's not your natural lip color. It might be hard to match your eyeshadow, or you just might feel kind of uncomfortable wearing something that isn't a quote unquote like normal color. Personally, I think even like a shade like this, I think there are ways that you can make unwearable shades more wearable, if that makes sense. You don't have to wear like a neon blue lipstick, but you can wear a purple lipstick. It's still going to be a bold statement, but you can kind of play around with it to make it look a little bit more natural. So playing with like a little bit of the ombre sort of dimension, building up that color, you know, it's a little less shocking, I think, because of the way that the colors work. Today I'm just wearing lots of like greens, golds, browns, so sort of complementary colors to purple. It obviously still makes a statement, so if you want something a little more toned down, you could just, you know, wear browns or kind of purple-ish leaning, purple, red, pink colors, like something more analogous. I think I prefer the other one a bit more because it's a bit more of a unique color and it's like a little bit quicker to just put it on and go, whereas this one I feel like I'd need to play around with, you know, adding a darker shade to make it a little more dimensional. But I really like both of these. I like the quality of these lipsticks. They're not my favorite, but they're pretty good. This one feels a little less sticky than the other one maybe, but still really nice. Yeah, I think if you're looking for a decent, comfortable, affordable liquid lipstick, this is one of the cheaper ones on the market for sure. A pretty good option, I think, in my opinion. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Have you tried either of these colors, or, you know, has my video sort of helped you be confident about wearing sort of more unnatural lipstick shades? I don't know, feel free to comment below. I just like talking to people about makeup. Let's start a conversation. If you like the type of looks that I do here on my channel, usually they're a little bit more bold than this, but I do have the purple lipstick going on. So if you like kind of bold, alternative, goth leaning makeup and fashion, then I'm sure you'll enjoy the content that I post on my other social media. And as always, I leave links in the description box below, so you can check those out if you want. It would be super, super appreciated because I'm just trying to grow my platform. It's just really hard to make it as a small creator. So any bit of interaction just really helps tell the algorithms that, you know, you think my content is interesting, and then it'll show it to more people who are interested in the same things as you, and it might just help me grow as a small creator. So any bit of interaction is really, really appreciated. And if you enjoy the content that I post here on my channel and you want to see more, I'd love it if you could subscribe and turn on notifications, so that way you'll get updated every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time.